Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix VLC Player keeps resizing automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix VLC Player keeps resizing automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your VLC Player, click on the Tools option, then click on Preferences. You need to select Interface. After interface, you have to make sure this option is unchecked. Resize interface to video size. You have to remove this tick mark, then click on save, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix VLC player keeps resizing automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.